Hello, welcome to Shoes of Hollywood. I'm Amanda Blanks and we have a shoe review coming for you. This is actually a surprise in a box because I don't even really know much about this shoe. I haven't even seen it, so you and I are both having a look for the first time. This is a Radiant 708 7-inch heel in my size 7 from Pleaser. They always do really nice packaging. Love the butterflies. You've got the keyhole at the front, which is the butterfly, so you can keep this box for anything. We get a nice little travel bag, as we always do with Pleaser. It has the foam in the middle to keep your shoes looking fresh and fantastic. Each shoe is individually wrapped. What do they look like? They're silver. Look at that holographic. Woo! That is going to make you shine under the lights. I cannot believe it. That's so nice. You've got the clear at the top. You've got the holographic down the 7-inch heel. Holographic wedge at the front, so they're easy to walk in. You're going to be wearing these all night and feel super comfortable and sturdy. The nice grippy bottom. And the heel is a bit grippy too. And then you've got the clear strap at the top with the reinforced part there, so it won't rip. You can wear these forever. And then you've got the clear over here. And then the memory foam of the sole. It's nice and squishy. Love that feel. And then the gold Pleaser logo, which is also a really nice addition. We'll open the second shoe. They are so good. Look at that. I love the invisible top on these, so that they'll just like pop out from under a dress, or if you're in a bikini comp, it'll look like it's part of you, but not, if that makes sense. Alright, I should probably put these on because that's what we're all here to see, how these look on your feet. Love the adjustable strap, makes it really easy to fit your size. And a hot tip, if the shoe is a bit tight for you to put on for the first time, heat it up with a hairdryer across here and it'll stretch and you'll be able to slide your foot in easy as. How good would this look with a silver sequin dress? Like, oh, so nice. Okay, let's see how these go. This is a 7-inch as well, so I'm going to be taking a bit of care. I won't be running a marathon in these. The grippy front's really easy for carpet or slippery concrete or anything like that. Pleaser really do a good job with that. And I'll give you guys a side view as well. So you can really see in the light, even in these type of lights, how much they're reflecting. And they'll just stand out so well. Love, and they feel nice and squishy. Make sure you hit like and subscribe on our channel so you never miss one of our videos as well. We've got new content coming in all the time, and if you add to the community page as well, there's pictures, there's behind the scenes, there's model photos of me and some of the other girls on the channel. So it's really great if you want to see what's coming up and what shoes we're going to be reviewing next. Alright, let's go outside. It is an absolutely stunning day in Brisbane. You would not even know it's winter. So they're really easy to walk in with the 7-inch and that big beautiful heel at, platform at the front. It makes it easy to walk in. I'll give you guys a close-up in the sun so you can see how that holographic looks. This is like pretty standard with the Radiant style. They have this awesome holographic looking heel and platform. And I'll give you guys some 12s as well. Alright, let's head back into the shop. And they do make a bit of a reflection on the ground as well. It's quite bright out here so you can't see it, but you can imagine if you're under UV lights or down lights, sparkly disco lights, they would be showing up a lot on the runway. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this shoe. Let me know in the comments what you're thinking about it. This is a Radiant from Pleaser. Really enjoyed showing you this one. They're super cool. Loving the hologram. Make sure you get in these quick because Pleaser do make a lot of limited edition shoes and you will miss out, and then they'll release new styles. So get it if it's quick. If there's no link in the bio, then they're sold out. I'm Amanda from Shoes of Hollywood. Thank you so much. Bye.